Good morning, Slots Pros. Let's do a MegaWays game. I'm going to show you how you can use the playable demo that I created to create, for example, a MegaWays game. The point is, you receive a MegaWays game from your mathematician, you put this here, and you can play the math immediately. I'm going to show you how to do that. So I already defined the symbols. I'm going to show you how to do all the basics in a different demo. Let's do the MegaWays. Real size 3333. Pay system is currently lines, but we're going to get back to that. And I created the symbols. So we've got regular symbols, a wild, substitute for this, and a scatter. Basic game. But now I want to create this as a MegaWays game. So wait, lines is not right. Let's go back to the basics. Pay system, it's not lines. I can choose MegaWays, automatically chooses ways. And now when I go to reels, this is in used features, I click on edit, and I've got my existing reels, but I'm missing something. So let's talk about the size of reel 1, right? MegaWays configuration for reel 1. So the mathematician told me size of reel 2 with a likelihood of 100, let's say. I'm inventing stuff, but let's say the mathematician told me that. Size of reel 3, likelihood of 400. You can see the percentages appear on the side. Basically, this creates the odds for what size of reels. When we play the actual game, if I get 2 at a place where there's room for 4, the 2 are really big, but that's the graphic side. We're just doing the math side. We're actually going to play the game in a second, but let's just go very quickly. I did reel 2, reel 3, reel 4, reel 5, and now we've got a game. So we have different odds. I'm going to save the reel set, and now save the game. Excellent. And you click on Simulate Spins. So here we are in the playable demo. You define your virtual line bet and the number of virtual lines. This is something the mathematician will tell you. And then you've got the total bet and you define the balance. Let's say 2,000. So you spin. And you see, I got 3, 2, 2, 4, 5, win 0. Oh, I got 3 wins. Completely different structure. This works according to ways, 3 of a kind on low 1 on reels 1, 2, 3. And 3 of a kind on low 1 again. There are 2 of them. That's D, 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 and D, D, D. 2 ways wins. I click spin. Spin, spin, and so on. So let's try to see how this works on free spins. I can spin until I get free spins or cheat and ask to trigger free spins. I choose my game, free spins 1, 10 spins, free spins multiplier 1. Let's, for the fun of it, do 2. Trigger free spins. So it says you triggered it through a cheat. You can play exactly free spins again. You don't have to go through the cheat again, or you can exit and just spin. These are the wins. I get the same MegaWays as the original reels. This is that was the first spin, second spin, third spin, fourth spin, fifth spin, sixth spin, and so on and so on. And I get to play all my 10s. I get reported wins when I get wins. The multiplier appears over here. And that's it for the free spins. I can click on them again. Trigger for these free spins again, and I get different results, of course. Now, suppose the mathematician gave you different sets of reels for free spins or different sets of MegaWays likelihoods. No problem. Let's go back to the definitions. You go to free spins. You've got custom features, which means all the different things you could do. You want custom reels. Then you go, it appears over here, and then you go to it. You say, yes, I'll create unique ones. And you add a new set. You write your name, let's say free spins 1. All right, you create the reel set. You write down your thing. Let's just do something random, just etc., etc. What you should do, of course, is copy-paste it from your mathematician's power sheet. And then you get to do the likelihoods again. You define the likelihoods, and then you play that in free spins. And this is how you do MegaWays using the Playable Demo. If you want to get ahead of the curve, talk to me, write to me, DM me, and make sure that you have this as soon as it's out of the first beta testing stage. So what do you think? I'm going to create more demos to show you how to do more features using the Playable Demo. See you soon.